All right, let's talk about month 22 on Etsy.
All right, so month 22 on my Etsy channel. So, again, still only 42 listings through December. We started back in March of 23, so we're approaching the 2 year mark. But let's look at the organic growth here. So we had 1,054 total visits, 34 total orders, 100 resulting in almost $130 in total revenue. And this is all organic. And typically December is actually kind of a slow month. If we look back at the last December, it's kind of a slow month, only 56 bucks. But I think this holiday season, like during Christmas, Hanukkah, all those holidays, like I did a lot better with my store than I had anticipated. So we'll just keep diving into it. Which, by the way, was a 3.23% conversion rate, which is the best I've had in nearly 7 months. So I spent $105, almost $106 on ads for the month of December, resulting in 495 visits, which resulted in 495 visits to my store, or 29 total orders at $169 in total revenue, which is almost a 6% conversion rate, which is pretty good. So this is the first time I've actually made money from ads since, August of 2024. So, within the last 4 or 5 months. And my total revenue for December was $289, almost 300 bucks, which is actually the highest grossing month that I've ever had. So December was great. So if we're looking at the overall stats, we got 736 total orders, $3,400 in total revenue, with a overall conversion rate of 3.35%, which is pretty typical for Etsy, which is 25,000 visits, $1,700 in total profit, and a 32%. 32% of my total revenue came from ads. So, honestly, pretty good. I'm excited to see what the next month has. I haven't been adding listings, but I've been revamping them, kind of making the thumbnails a little bit better, kind of relisting those, trying to get a little bit more traction, changing a couple keywords on some of the things. But honestly, very minimal. Honestly, most of this growth I saw in November, December really is just kind of natural. It just kind of happened. So I'm excited to see what month 23 and then in month 24 here will be my 2 year mark. So that'll be kind of interesting to break down. But thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it and have a great rest of your day.